In this video, we are going to look at ASA, angle side angle, with the side in the middle of the two angles. So we are given one angle, one side and another angle. Say this angle is 60 degrees. The side is 5 centimeters and this angle is say 50 degrees. Let's try and construct two triangles with the same measurements and see if we can make them different. So I will start by drawing my base, which is 5 centimeters. Yeah, I'll name it Y and Z, and now I'm going to make this angle on point Y. It's 60 degrees, and here is my 60 degrees mark. On the other side, we have $50. Here is the 50-degree mark, and I'm going to join these 2 points. And we have a triangle with the condition angle, side, angle, 60 degrees, 5 centimeters, and 50 degrees. Now, a thing that we learned earlier was that the sum of all the angles in a triangle will always be 180 degrees, and here we have 60 and 50. We already know our answer, but let's just confirm it, and it is in fact 70 degrees. So let's test that out. I'm going to take my base as 5 centimeters, since that is the only given side and it has to fall between the two angles. Now, unlike this triangle, I'm going to have the 60 degrees on this side. Here is the 60 degrees mark. And I'm going to draw 50 degrees on the other side from point A. So we drew our two angles and we have this side, we have this point C. From here we need to see if the third angle is 70 degrees, which in fact it is, as you can see. So we know that the three angles are congruent and one side is congruent. Now I'm going to try and draw something different. Let me just draw a random base. So I'm not going to make it 5 centimeters this time. I'm just going to let it go. From this point, I'm going to draw a 60-degree angle over here. Now we have this random side and one angle that was given to us. Now we know that the side 5 centimeters is between the two angles. So given that we've already drawn one angle, we know that this is the side that will be 5 centimeters. Since this is ASA, so I'm going to measure 5 centimeters with my compass. And mark an arc on this line here. And can make the other angle from this point here. Let's measure it and see if it is 5 centimeters. Yes, it is. Here we have a 5 centimeter segment. We have 60 degrees. We know this angle. So what we can do is place the compass here. And draw the 50-degree angle. And this is the point where they intersect. And we know that this angle should be 70 degrees. Let's measure it. See if that is the case. And yes, it is the case. Now we have 3 triangles here. This side was 5 centimeters. So I'm going to cut them out and see if they are congruent. I will superimpose them one on top of the other. Here we have 3 different triangles, and now I'm going to put the 70-degree angles on top of each other. See how they're sitting. They should sit. Yes, they are. And how does this one? So all the 70-degree angles are on top of each other. And all the 50-degree angles are on top of each other, and the 60-degree angle is also identical and on top of each other. And we have the 5 centimeter side, and we can see that there are no leftover areas. No matter what I do with these, there is just no area that is left over. Therefore, 2 triangles with condition ASA will always be congruent.